Hello guys, welcome back with me Cho 2025. Today we're going to talk how to use VACE with only reference image and no need to add the first frame. What you need to do, simply turn off the WAN video start to end frame, change the input image to control video direct. And that's it. Here are the results. Of course, you still need to do a good prompt. Anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you again on the next episode. And have a nice day. Please subscribe.